everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some LasFit All Weather Floor mats for my 2022 Chevy Colorado work truck. I haven't opened the box yet, so we're going to do this together. First and foremost, check out the box. It's big, has LasFit on it. I mean, quality wise, it's a lot better than like some bag. But I'm gonna open this up, let's check it out, and then let's install it. All right, guys. Well, again, this is the LasFit box. Open it from both sides. All right. So here are the floor mats. They look pretty good. Very nice. Back seat. Very nice. I believe this is a drain plug, right? Not 100% sure, but check it out in a minute. Let's look at what the fuck is. Look very nice. Very clean. They look like they're gonna fit really well. You get driver's side, passenger side floor mats, and the rear. Everything you get, everything you need, right here. Now, first things first, obviously, we gotta swap everything out. Don't mind that. One thing about the stock floor mats, hair, lots of hair everywhere. Let's throw it away. All right. Cool. Now that we got the fronts done, let's just do the back. For the back, it's going to be a little bit more work. And when I mean that, it's going to be barely any more work. My truck right now is somewhat clean on the inside, so, but even then, you see all this dog hair, all this dog fur? Doesn't matter. No matter how much I clean this, it's dirty the next day. So, grab that one out. I don't know what that is. What about the passenger left side, driver's side? And now let's just put this on. I'm gonna take you guys with me over here too. Anyways, very easy to put on, and they actually fit insanely well. No, I'm not getting paid for this, so don't ask. It's gonna be very fucking helpful, that's for sure. Especially with the dogs and the mud and everything. Just take this off and wash it. Lastly, let's just put on the driver's side. Well, so one thing about the mats that I was curious about when I said that they might be for water drainage, it's actually not for that reason. It's for, so they clip in, but as you can see, lots of dirt, lots of dirt, a lot of dirt actually. I'm gonna install the front ones so you guys see what it looks like. And it clips right into the stock area for the little things. Sick. I think it looks 1000% better. Thank you so much, LasFit, for sending these. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to get them dirty.